Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be looking at a unique indicator. If you are serious about improving your trading strategies, you've probably heard about a tool called the Strength Candles Indicator. But if you haven't, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how it works and how you can use it to take your trading game to the next level. All right. In this video, we'll break down exactly what the Strength Candles Indicator is, how to use it, and why it's a must-have tool in your trading arsenal. So let us jump right into it. First things first, let us talk about what this indicator actually is. I'm going to be adding the indicator to the chart right now. The Strength Candles Indicator. Here we go. All right. So this indicator is a simple tool that you can add to your MT4 chart, and it gives you real-time information about the strength of the current candle. It tells you whether the market is more bullish or bearish at any given moment on any time frame. So we can see that the 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily time frames, informations across the different time frames are here, right? From the 1 minute to the 1 day. All right, you can see that the indicator tells you whether the market is more bullish or bearish at any given moment. Now, what is great about this indicator is its flexibility. You can use it on time frames ranging from as short as the 1 minute chart all the way to the 1 day chart, no matter what kind of trading you do, whether it is scalping, day trading, or swing trading. This tool works for you. Now, let us dive deeper into how the indicator actually works. As you can see, it displays a percentage bar on the right hand side of your chart. This bar shows the strength of the current candle and is divided into green and red sections. Green means the market is bullish with a strong upward movement. Red means the market is bearish, indicating downward pressure. The higher the green percentage, the more bullish the market's momentum. Similarly, the higher the red percentage, the stronger the bearish momentum. It is important to remember that the Strength Candles Indicator does not give direct buy or sell signals, okay? Instead, it is a tool for gauging momentum and understanding the market's overall strength. So how do you use this indicator effectively in your trading? The answer is simple. First, you pay attention to the percentage bar, right? If you see a high green percentage, currently we are on the 15-minute chart. So if we are looking at the 15-minute bar, we can see that the current indication is telling us that 15 minutes is dominated by sell. Can you see? It is currently dominated by sell. All right. You can see that the buyers the buyers have been pushed aside, just 30% at the time, while 70% is selling. Selling pressure is 70%. On the daily time frame, it's showing 50-50 on the daily time frame. All right, so whatever time frame that you're trading on, you can just get information from here. Okay. But here's the key. Do not use this indicator in isolation. It is best to combine it with other indicators like the RSI or moving averages, to confirm the overall trend. For example, if the Strength Candles Indicator shows high green and maybe you're using the RSI and the RSI is also in overbought territory, you can be more confident that the trend is strong. We're in a situation whereby the indicator is showing that the current candle is dominantly sell, high red. You have high red, and then you see that the RSI is in oversold territory. It means that the current sell momentum is strong, which is what we can see happening on the 30 minutes time frame. All right. So by combining these indicators, you'll get a much clearer picture of the market, which helps you make better trading decisions. So why should you add the Strength Candles Indicator to your trading toolkit? Well, for starters, it helps you easily visualize the market's momentum. It's straightforward, does not require any complicated settings, and is available on any time frame you prefer. It's like having a quick snapshot of the market's current strength. In addition, it is incredibly versatile. Whether you are a short-term trader looking to catch quick moves or a long-term trader looking to follow the bigger trends, this indicator has you covered. All right. So if you are a scalper, maybe you are working on the 1 minute chart, you can just pay attention to the percentage on the 1 minute, whether it's buying or selling that is dominant, and then you might want to scalp in that direction. All right, so if the buyers are dominant, and then I'm going to recommend adding price action analysis. Okay, in addition to indicators, you can use the RSI. You can also add moving averages or any other indicator of your choice, and then pay attention to trend lines and horizontal support and resistance zones as well. So maybe you have price breakout of the bearish trend line, and then you notice that a pattern, a bullish pattern is forming. Like what we can see here now, we actually had a breakout and then a retest, and now it's looking like price, is aiming for further upsides, right? So in that situation, you might want to be looking for buy opportunities, although there is a lot of noise on the 1 minute time frame. But still, you look at this and know whether buying pressure or selling pressure is dominating at the time, and then you can trade in line with the prevailing momentum alongside market structure. Okay, it's important. So to wrap things up, the Strength Candles Indicator is a powerful tool that helps you stay on top of market momentum. It's simple to use, and when combined with other technical indicators, it can give you a huge edge in your trading. Remember, it is not about relying on just one indicator. It is about using a combination of tools to confirm trends and make more informed decisions. All right, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I'll be back with more trading tips and strategies to help you take your trading to the next level. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.